Hello, good day everyone. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ngayong araw pag-usapan natin yung 6 trigonometric ratios. But before that, pag-usapan muna natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng trigonometry. No? So in trigonometry, so it is the branch of mathematics that deals with the relation between the sides and the angles of a triangle. So it is from the Greek words trigonon, or trigonon means triangle, and metron means to measure. So it is literally means, pag sinabi nating trigonometry, it is the measurement of triangles. No? Another one is, it is also a tool used for measuring distances. Ginagamit natin ito in order for us to measure distances that cannot be directly measured. No? And another definition is, when you say trigonometry, it involves the study of angles and geometric ratios. Okay? So, we'll go now on the next slide. Okay, delete muna natin ito. Okay. So, it is often used to find the length of one side of or the measure of an acute angle of a right triangle. No? So, meron tayo ditong tatlong sides na alamin natin yung mga definitions niya. Pag sinabi nating hypotenuse, so it is always the side opposite the right angle. It is the longest side of a right triangle. So, in this case, in this triangle, the hypotenuse here is C, side C. Itong side na to. Point A to B, or yung side C natin. Ito, side C. So, ito yung hypotenuse natin since this is the opposite of this right angle. No? And another definition is the side opposite an angle is called opposite side. So, ito, opposite angle. May opposite side tayo dyan. And we have also the adjacent side, which is the side also of an angle. The side of an angle is an adjacent side. No? So, example tayo dito. Suppose that we have here the in relation to angle A. Ito, angle A. So, yung side A na to, this is the opposite of angle A. Kasi saan siya nakaharap. So, angle A to, nakaharap siya dyan, A. So, this side will be the opposite of this angle A. And the adjacent of this angle A is ito, itong B. Ito. Ito yung adjacent niya. So, in relation naman sa angle B, doon sa taas na ito, in relation to angle B, the side B, ito, yung side B, hindi na ito ngayon maging adjacent, kung hindi maging opposite siya, if you're going to with respect to angle B, no, in relation to angle B. Okay? So, ito yung opposite nito is this side. And the adjacent of this angle is the side A. Ito. Adjacent of this angle. Pagkaiba siya, no? Pag ito yung A, yung adjacent niya yan. Ito yung opposite. Samantala kung B naman, yung adjacent niya ito naman yung opposite. And how about the hypotenuse ito, yung C? Yung hypotenuse is manatili yan. C palagi. No? Okay? Palaging C yan. Okay? So, next. Next is okay. Next slide tayo. Now, so we have here the three primary trigonometric ratios are sine, cosine, and tangent. So meron tayo dito. So this is the sine, the cosine theta, the tangent theta. We have the sine, or abbreviation niya is sin, no? Sin. Cosine natin is cos. Yung tangent natin is tan. So that is theta. Ito yung tinatawag nating symbol or abbreviation of this Greek letter theta. So the corresponding ratio of lengths nito based on sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, yung sine natin. Yung cosine natin is adjacent over hypotenuse. Then we have our tangent here, opposite over adjacent. Okay? So, kung meron tayong primary trigonometric ratios, meron tayong tinatawag na secondary trigonometric ratios. No? So, meron siyang cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So, kabaliktaran na ito ng mga sine, cosine, and tangent natin. Yung kabaliktaran ng sine is or yung reciprocal niya is cosecant theta. As we notice, yung ratios of lengths nito, yan is you simply find the reciprocal, and that is now the corresponding ratio of lengths of this cosecant. This cosecant, no? So, the opposite of cosine is secant, ito naman. Then, as we notice, balik na rin natin yung adjacent over hypotenuse natin. Maging hypotenuse over adjacent na. Same is true with tangent, no? Kung opposite over adjacent ito, yung cotangent natin is adjacent over opposite. So, ibig sabihin, kahit tatlo lang matandaan natin, the rest will follow. So, hindi kayo nakapagdaan ng trigonometry pag hindi natin makukuha itong TOA. This is serve as your mnemonic device in order for us to easily remember or recall kung ano yung mga corresponding ratio of lengths natin, no? So, let's say sine, opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent natin is opposite over adjacent. And that's another, the secondary trigonometric ratios nito, makukuha rin natin pag makuha natin itong tatlo. That's the reason why we need to memorize or yung parang paratandaan natin yung SOHCAHTOA, yung tinatawag nating mnemonic, no, device, no? Na SOHCAHTOA means that is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine natin is adjacent over hypotenuse and tangent, and the rest will follow. As long as na huwag kayong malito dito kasi yung sine natin, yung opposite ng sine is cosecant, which is dapat opposite niya is cosine, no? And secant naman is cosine. Okay? So, ito yung parang sine, yung ganyan. Ito yung opposite niya is secant, and the rest will tangent. Opposite niya is cotangent. Okay? So, ganun, no? So, next, we will go to the next slide. I-erase muna natin. Delete muna. Okay, the rest will, the next slide. So, I will give you more example mamaya. At the same time, meron tayong short quiz with regards to these values. No? Okay, next. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa, halimbawa, the question is, you're going to find the 6 trigonometric ratios of each of the acute angle of the given right triangle. Halimbawa, ito yung given natin. Yan. Given triangle natin. So, we're going to find the 6 trigonometric ratios. So, based doon sa binigay natin kanina na SOHCAHTOA, or sine opposite over hypotenuse, cosine natin adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent natin opposite over adjacent. Ito ngayon yung magiging corresponding natin. Halimbawa, sine of A. So, ito yung A natin. Ito yung i-consider natin in relation to this angle A. So, yung opposite natin is 3 kasi yun ang opposite natin ng angle A. So, 3. That is why 3 din yung ilagay natin doon. Then, hypotenuse natin is, of course, 5. So, 5. You simply copy. Opposite over hypotenuse, ibig sabihin 3 over 5. That is sine. Cosine na A natin is ganun din. That is, cosine of A is adjacent over hypotenuse. That is, adjacent over hypotenuse. That is, adjacent over hypotenuse. So, ito kasi, hindi dapat na isulat dito yung hypotenuse, opposite at saka yung adjacent. I-erase muna natin yun, ha? Hindi yan. Kasi sa A tayo, no? A yung hinahanap natin. A. Kasi dahil lang, ha? A kasi, no? So, dapat parang sulat dyan. Okay. Delete muna natin. Erase. Okay. So, sa cosine of A, that is adjacent. So, 4 over adjacent over hypotenuse. So, 4 over 5. Okay. Tangent of A natin is opposite over adjacent. That is 3/4. Kaya ka 3/4 yung sagot natin. And the rest will follow. Baliktarin mo lang yan. Kaya ba? Sa sine. So, di ba, ang opposite is cosecant. So, find the reciprocal of these. Opposite over hypotenuse. Yung 3/5 or 3 over 5 natin, maging 5 over 3 na. Yung 4/5 natin, magiging 5/4. Yung 3/4 natin, magiging 4/3. Okay? So, how about in respect to B? No, ito na naman. To B. So, of course, yung opposite over hypotenuse nito, opposite niya is 4 over 5. So, 4 over 5. Opposite over hypotenuse. So, B. Okay. Cosine of B, yun din. Cosine of B, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, magiging 3/5. Then, tangent of B, opposite over adjacent, magiging 4/3. And will follow. Okay? And will follow. nakuha. So hanggang dito lang muna. Ang importante dito is naintindihan natin kung paano natin i-determine or finding of 6 trigonometric ratios. And that's all, and thank you. This is our first, ito lang muna yung first video natin para maintindihan muna natin kung paano i-determine yung 6 trigonometric ratios based on the given right triangle. Okay? So that's all, and thank you.